Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to cook you a lovely king prawn, really big prawns in some fresh coconut milk. But I'm going to do the coconut milk myself. I already take it out of the hooks, and this is how we do it, especially in the Caribbean and some hot countries. So it's going to be fresh. Slide this. It's been taken out of this thing. This is the shell. So it's going to cook you a lovely meal. And please remember to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so what we have here, I have some chopped ginger, spring onion, fresh garlic, onion, and of course coconut, scotch bonnet, lemongrass. There's something else missing, and guess what it is? Some giant king prawns. Look at these. Nice and fresh. So let's start cooking. This fresh coconut. I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna add water on this. Lid on and blend it for a bit. This is what it looked like. This is what I'm doing here. I'm giving you mama style. So stay tuned. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this in here. It's my mom recipe. She teach me well how to do this. Hot water over this. And the reason for the hot water is to extract all those coconut flavor and the juice out of it. And then I have here a sieve strainer, so I'm going to strain this off. But the coconut that left, don't throw it away. You'll be surprised, you can get a nice dessert out of it. But please leave comment if you want to see a nice coconut dessert, or a nice coconut feather cake, or a nice coconut muffin. So all that juice is here. So put this back in here. Definitely I will make a coconut dessert. I'm not gonna waste it at all. Now get the fire going. And please, whosoever watching this video for the first time, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. So I have an onion here. Just gonna chop it up. You can chop it up the way you want it, however way you want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour my coconut juice in it. This is really authentic. Doesn't get better than that. I'm gonna add ginger in, spring onion in, scotch on it. I'm gonna give it a little split here. In lemongrass, put it in. Garlic, give them a little bit of bash, julienne, put it in. Bit of salt, fresh pepper, get them seasoned. See, it start to boil already, catching the flavor. Give it a bit of taste. Yeah. Add some bit of sea salt. Now I'm gonna add a bit of vegetable stock. This is so rich that even if you have a bit of juice left, you know, when I was growing up, when have a bit of juice left out of this, you don't even throw it away. Just make some dumplings with it, put over it. You know, this you can use this to make even rundown. I can turn this into a rundown now, which is typical in the Caribbean. What I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to lock in my flavor. Then I'm gonna grate a bit of lime, just the back zest. Bit of ginger, just grate it. For this you want a nice, rich flavor in this. When you're cooking this, please keep trying it until you get the proper flavor. Because the thing is, once you put the prawn in, you know, you need to get your flavor right from first. Because when I drop the prawn in, it's going to take the flavor of the stock what I'm cooking here. It's drying down a bit. That is bombastic. Look at this. Are you ready? Drop them in. I'm going to add a bit of black pepper to it. I'm going to cover him up, let him cook down a bit. So it's ready now. I'm going to turn it off. Put a bit of fresh parsley on it. I'm gonna put some of them in the bowl here. So I'm gonna pour some of the juice over this. So this here is just the shell of the coconut. I just put back some in it. Put a bit of lemon.